how to fix the problem disappearing posts on your account on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your posts or how to resolve a problem of disappearing posts on your Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, you should know that the reason why your posts keep disappearing, maybe your account is blocked or banned. That's mean you should go to your Instagram, go to your profile, click on those three lines and click on setting. Now click on help and click on report a problem. Now all you need to do is explain to team Instagram what happened or what is not working on your Instagram, and you can take a screenshot or like from your gallery, or take a screenshot of the problem. And the second thing, go to your setting and go to apps, go to manage apps and choose Instagram, and all you need to do is clear cache of your application like this. Now click on this and click on clear cache, click on OK, and this is it. And hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.